in ruin. We said that each is an indefinite pronoun, and it's always singular, it's treated as always singular, so it should always be followed by a singular verb. In this case would be 15 would be is. Each of the houses is in ruins. Number 16. This is number 16 and 17. This is a very common expression. It's irregular. It's an irregular expression. We may say this is a special case. So you should remember that the number of desks in that classroom, blank 35. You should remember that the expression starting with the number of is always singular. So the number of desks in that classroom is. However, in 17, a number of stores, this is plural. A number of stores is always plural. A number of stores are closed today because of the holiday. Right. Number 18. Arithmetic expression such as 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4 equals, or 6 plus 4 is, or 6 multiplied by 4, all of this, or 6 by 4, arithmetic expressions are always single, so the correct answer is equals. The English, when we choose an adjective and follow precede it by the, here we're not talking about the adjective, we're talking about a group of people who share a common feature or common characteristics. In this case, the English. Here we're talking about the English people or people from England. Also, we can say the Japanese. We're not talking about the Japanese language. We're talking about the Japanese people. Same goes for the Chinese also. So when you say the English, here we're talking about a group of people, which is of course plural. So the correct answer should be R. Number 20. Every blank, every woman, every man, woman, and child blank love. Here, this is an indefinite pronoun. It's always followed by a singular verb, no matter what follows it of nouns. So if we say every man, woman, and child, or we can also say every men, women, and children needs love. It's always, no matter what follows it, it's always singular. Number 21. The police. The police is always plural. The police is always plural. So we say the police were called to the crime scene yesterday. Number 22. Not only but also, and neither or. Neither nor and either or. All of these are called correlatives or correlative conjunctions, and the verb agrees with the subject closest to the verb, or the second subject. Okay, so if the second subject is plural, we use a plural verb. It's singular, we use a singular verb. It has nothing to do with the first one. Okay, we throw the first subject out of the window, as I told you. So we only focus on the second subject, which is this one, and since this is plural, so we use a plural verb, which is were. Number 23. Either Ali or Salma finish. Also, this is a case of the correlatives we just talked about, and we said the pronoun antecedent agreement in this case, in this correlative case, the pronoun agrees in number and gender with the second subject only, with the second subject only. So it's the same case with the verb agreement. So we only need to focus on the second subject in this case, which is Salma. And since Salma, we know that she is a feminine, we use a corresponding or a suitable pronoun, which is her. Number 24. Both Ahmed and Shaza. Here we have compound subject combined by both, which is also a correlative conjunctive, and in this case it's treated as plural So we use a plural verb which is have passed, number B. Number 25, many a man. We're not talking about many men or many books or many pencils. No, I'm talking about a certain expression which starts with many a. There's a difference between many men or many books or many students. There's a difference between that. There's a difference between that and many a. Many a, this is an expression. We can say many a man, many a student, many many a book, many a cheer. It's always singular, and we should use the suitable singular verb, which is has lost. Now we've completed the grammar sheet. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.